Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a project in Google AI Studio. In this walkthrough, we'll open Google AI Studio, start a new workspace, add a sample prompt, and run it to see results. You'll just need a modern web browser and a stable internet connection. If you're asked to sign in along the way, use your regular account to proceed. Begin by visiting Google AI Studio in your browser. This is Google's environment for drafting, testing, and refining AI prompts. When the page loads, you'll land on a clean, focused interface designed to help you get building quickly. Take a moment to let the page fully load so the buttons and panels appear correctly. Next, click Start Building. This brings you into a fresh prompt workspace. Think of this space as the foundation of your project. It's where you compose instructions for the model, review outputs, and iterate. On the main area, you'll see a large prompt field ready for your text, along with controls to run your prompt. The layout is intentionally simple so you can focus on what you want the model to do. Now enter a sample prompt. A prompt is just a clear set of instructions telling the model what you need. To make yours effective, state the goal, provide any helpful context, and specify the format you want back. For example, you might write something like, explain the benefits of version control for small software teams in 5 concise, bullet-style sentences using plain language. Tailor the topic to what you're exploring today. If your task has constraints, like a word limit, tone, or audience, include those details in the prompt. Clarity up front saves time later. A quick tip, ask for structure. Phrases like, use short paragraphs, include examples, or end with a summary. Help the model deliver exactly what you expect. Once your prompt looks good, click Run. The model will process your request and display a response in the results panel. Read through the output carefully. Does it follow your instructions, hit the right tone, and include the necessary details? If not, refine your prompt by tightening instructions or adding context, then click Run again. Iteration is normal and often the fastest way to reach high-quality results. If you notice parts you like, keep them and only adjust what needs improvement. That's it. You visited Google AI Studio, selected Start Building, entered a clear sample prompt, and ran it to generate results. With these essentials in place, you're ready to explore more complex prompts and build out your project with confidence.